This video just refuses to play on my Windows computer. Don't panic. Here's your one-stop solution. VLC Media Player, a free open-source media player that handles almost everything you throw at it. In this video, I'll show you how to install it on your PC or laptop, step by step. First, open your web browser. Now, search VLC Media Player Download. Click on the first or second link that has videolan.org in the URL. Not any random site. We don't want surprises, right? Once you're on the official site, click the Download button. Your latest VLC Media Player version should start downloading automatically. If it doesn't, just click the Click Here link to start it manually. Now wait for the download to finish. Got it? Great. Open the installer, and when asked for permission, click Yes. The installation setup will launch. Choose your preferred language, then click OK. Now click Next, Next, and yep, Next again. Then click Install. Wait a moment. And done. Click Finish. Congratulations. VLC Media Player is now installed on your computer. Go ahead, open it, and play that stubborn video file with confidence. Did this help you out? Then hit like to confirm I did my job right.